At the end of a 2-mile-long private driveway through a spectacular aspen grove sits Owl Mountain Ranch. Situated in the middle of Aspen's Buttermilk Mountain Ski Area, the ranch occupies 61 acres and overlooks thousands of acres of national forest and breathtaking open space. Through the grand entrance foyer is the voluminous drawing room with 18-foot ceilings and carefully milled freshwater cypress paneling. With views to Snowmass and beyond, the room has north and south seating areas and comfortably accommodates over 80 guests. With fireplaces at both ends of the large open space and the adjacent, well-appointed pub, casual and intimate get-togethers are perhaps even more frequent than formal gatherings. The dining room, with its unique acoustical ceiling, can seat between 6 and 50 guests. Adjacent to the dining room is a large working pantry which leads to the commercial-grade kitchen, featuring granite counters and Wolf and Sub-Zero appliances. The front hall stair tower leads to the library and master bedroom suite. As a frequent gathering place, the library features an outdoor hot tub, while the inside has its own kitchen and features cypress paneling and antique fixtures. The game table and small kitchen are great for a quiet breakfast or to support gatherings on the terrace. The terrace has both a wood-burning fireplace and gas-fired heat to make snowy days and cool evenings more cozy. The hot tub is a popular viewing platform to the slopes and the Elk Mountain Range. A generous terrace awaits outside the drawing and dining rooms, with a walkout lower terrace from the game room, office, and bedrooms, opening to the yard and activity areas. Back to the upper terrace is access to the master bedroom and stairs down to the parking circle. The snow-melted circular drive accommodates 10 cars with ample passing room. Parking space is never in short supply, with an additional 15 spaces at the top of the driveway and 40 more at the barn. When the hiking season gives way to winter, up-close views of the West Buttermilk ski lift and runs, ski-in and ski-out access via a private ski trail, and the expanse of the ranch beyond the slopes show the abundant open space that surrounds this magnificent environment. Owl Mountain Ranch is truly a home for all seasons.